I'm Michael Dier with Watkins Construction and Roofing. If you're seeing this message, you're likely in the market for a new roof, but I'm here to tell you, you may not need it. The idea of inspecting a roof is a daunting task, but by following these quick tips, you could save thousands of dollars. Many homeowners tend to be reactive to roof problems when they should be proactive. Having your roof assessed regularly will help you get a better understanding of its condition. Many roof problems can be caught by a certified roof inspector or repaired for a much lower cost than having a full roof replacement. Credible contractors perform these inspections at no cost and will leave you with a better understanding of your roof's current condition and life expectancy. This will allow you as a homeowner to have peace of mind during the next storm. If you'd like to speak with a qualified specialist, click the link below and we'll be happy to help you.